Hello and welcome back to my another unboxing video. In this video I am going to share with you quick unboxing and review Samsung Galaxy A15. So let's take a look. This is my Samsung Galaxy A15 box, how exactly it looks like. Now I'm going to unboxing this box and then I'm going to share with you what we're going to inside this box or how exactly this Samsung Galaxy A15 looks like. So I'm going to just trying to cut this plastic from here to pull out this box. So here we can see some tape is there, so I'm just cutting this, and then I think here also. Anyway, now I'm going to try to pull out this box. After cut that, inside this box we will see this is our Samsung Galaxy A15. Anyway, let me see what inside this box or how exactly this Samsung Galaxy A15 looks like. So I'm going to first of all open, there is a, we'll see another box. If I try to open, let me see what inside there. There we found a USB C cable, you can see here, which is quite interesting, and also quick start guide our Samsung Galaxy A15. And let me see what else inside this box. Here I think only we have our phone itself and a SIM ejector. So there is this is what we exactly getting inside this box. We're getting our Samsung Galaxy A15 itself, phone, a SIM ejector, and a USB-C cable. Let me try to removing this cover, and let me see how exactly our Samsung Galaxy A15 looks like. So this is our Samsung Galaxy A15, how it looks like, which is quite interesting and very nice color. If we go jump over by side, if we go jump over on the left side, we will see there is a SIM ejector, our device. If I jump over in the right side, we'll find here volume rocker button and power button, also fingerprint scanner. If you go jump over in the top, there is a microphone. If you jump over in the bottom, we will see headphone jack, microphone, USB-C, and a speaker. In the front side, we are found here our front facing camera. If we jump over in the back side, we will see there is a total 3 camera with LED flashlight, and this is how the back side going to looks like, which is really quite impressive. Anyway, let me try to turn on this device and let me jump over inside this phone. So I'm going to be doing some additional setup and then I will get back to you. Here we go. This is my Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Welcome up skin after done all the setup. And this is how exactly my Samsung Galaxy A15 looks like. If we jump over in this phone, dial section, this is how exactly this dial section looks like. If you go jump over here in the bottom, you will find back button, home button, option button. If you swipe, just for example swipe up to down, and then we will see there is a different quick launch area. If I go jump over in the settings section, here's the settings section. If I jump over about the phone, this is all about this phone, which is really quite interesting. And you can see this Samsung Galaxy A15, which is really very beautiful color with beautiful camera punch hole design, and the by side also, that's very nice, very impressive, this with budget phone. And this is a very beautiful color, we can see it, and this is how our Samsung Galaxy A15 looks like. Let me jump over the Samsung Galaxy A15 specification. If we jump over this phone weight, which is 200 gram, and this body coming with glass front, plastic back, and plastic frame. It's coming with single SIM or hybrid dual SIM. If we jump over this phone display, which is Super AMOLED, which is 90 Hz, and display size is 6.5 inches, and display resolution is 1080 into 2340 pixel. It's coming with Android 14. Chipset is MediaTek Helio G99. CPU is octa-core 2 into 2.2 GHz Cortex A76 and 6 into 2.0 GHz Cortex A55. GPU is Mali G57MC2. There is a batch of kind of storage available. You can choose 128 GB 4 GB RAM or 128 GB 6 GB RAM or 128 GB 8 GB RAM or 256 GB 8 GB RAM. If we jump over this phone camera section, in main camera we're going to find 50 megapixel, aperture is 1.8 wide, and there is 5 megapixel which is aperture 2.2 ultra wide, and is 2 megapixel which aperture is 2.4 micro. And we're going to find in this camera some other features like LED flash, panorama, HDR. And also going to find this camera video quality is 1080p at 30 frames. If we jump over this phone selfie camera, we are going to find which is selfie only single camera which is 13 megapixel, aperture is 2.0 wide, and video also going to 1080p at 30 frames. If we jump over this phone other features, like we're going to find this phone supported fingerprint scanner, also supported face unlock. If we jump over this phone battery section, which is 5000 mAh non-removable battery, which is 25 watt wire. And this phone is coming with total 4 color. One is brave black, another is optimistic blue, and there is magical blue, and this personality yellow. I brought this phone from local market, which cost me around $120. So that's one now. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family.